2 o'clock up. Austria, followers willkommen. Hello Denmark. Hello. Followers, people from Netherlands. Followers. Bienvenido a Puerto. You have pizza number 40. Tell me names of all her books. This is the end of our filming today. It's a beautiful day here. We are lucky because we have little clouds. So it's not crazy too hot like it should be without clouds. Austria, followers willkommen. Lovely to meet you.
Hallo, viele Grüße nach Deutschland von meinem lieben Mann.
We are YouTubers, so hello.
Hello.
You sound like England.
Yes. Hello. Oh, he's so cute.
Hello Denmark.
Hello.
Followers.
Hello.
You seriously watch our videos?
Yeah, big fans. Big fans. Big fans. Coming from cold Denmark to sunny Tenerife. You are very famous in Denmark.
Thank you. You are very welcome. Okay.
Have a nice day.
Bye bye. People from Netherlands. Followers.
Hi.
Welcome to Puerto.
Yes, gracias.
Lovely to meet you.
Yes, lovely to meet you. We always saw you on YouTube, so now we're here.
Thank you. Welcome, welcome.
Okay.
I really like to meet special people like you. Hello. Bienvenido a Puerto. Encantado.
Hello, together.
Hallo Deutschland. Finally, you can meet all this. We are on the top of Hotel Weimar, and surprise, surprise for you. Let's have a time trail from this point. The time is 2 o'clock up to La Paz, which is over there. Let's go. Let's see how many minutes we need to get there. If you like macarones, amazing are here. Hola. The famous Compostelana with their famous pizzas. Difficult to eat 40 pizzas in 2 hours, but tienes pizza número 40.
Numero 40. ¿Cuál es?
40.
40, 40.
You have pizza number 40. Tell me. ¿Cuál es pizza number 40?
No hay pizza number 40.
I remember pizza number 40.
No hay, no hay.
Hola a todos.
Hola.
Mío, chicas.
Todo chicas. No son chicos. Inge.
Calle Obispo Pérez Cáceres. If you need to rent a bike, I have a good experience with those people here. They gave me a good price for 1 week. It's here. Let's see those beautiful trees over there. It's amazing. It's a nice view. You can see how everything is dry. We need rain here. You can read names of all her books. Lots of them, wow. Beautifully warm, 25-6 degrees, not extremely hot. We are lucky with those clouds. I've met people from the south of Tenerife, from Adeje today, and they said, oh yeah, we have 40 degrees. So we are here, and the time is I was not running, just walking a little bit faster. We'll never have enough of this view.
Why you wrap up like it's cold?
Hello.
There's some stairs there, and I'm gonna be.
Excuse me, man. I've heard. Is it your birthday?
It's my birthday, yeah.
So happy birthday
Hey,
in Puerto de la Cruz, Tenerife.
Thank you. Pick up yourself.
The end of our filming today. Brost. C'est brost.
Prost.
Brost.
Prost.